Okay, hey y'all, my name is Asian A. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. It is Asian A coming to you live at 5. Even though it's not 5 o'clock where I am. It's currently 2:59, so basically 3 o'clock. And today is September 9th. Lux, sit down, please, chill. He needs to take a chill pill, like for real. But yeah, as you can see, y'all can't see it's 2:59, but it's 2:59 right now. About to be 3 o'clock. But as y'all can see by the title of today's video, is I'm about to yap and do my makeup, and y'all gonna come along with me while I give y'all a tutorial, because when I have not given y'all an updated tutorial on how I do my makeup since. Actually, let's check, because fact checking is always good. And the last time I did a makeup tutorial video was 5 months ago, and it has changed since then. So that was like, what, today is September 9th, so like April. I haven't given y'all makeup tutorial since April, so we're gonna lock into that while I tell y'all like some random story times about my life, I guess. And we're gonna start with the most recent one, so let's get into that. So most of my products are elf. If you need to reference anything, I will go back to the video. I'm gonna link it here or here, whichever where it pops up, and y'all can click on that and watch it for the products. I'm also show y'all, but I'm not really going to tell y'all what I'm using. If you need a reference guide, I would check back in with my other makeup tutorial, because I use some of the same things. So we're starting out with that. And I also can't see myself, so it's about to be fun. But okay, so the most recent thing, well, first of all, how are y'all? Like, how are y'all doing? How are y'all feeling? Like, how's life, etc., etc.? But okay, so let's get into it for real. Like, let's not even sugarcoat it. If you have watched my previous video, which would be my previous video, so my second to last, it is my Alabama vlog. And so I went to Alabama in April, and I have finally uploaded that video. And with me uploading that video, I got a car when I came back from Alabama. I got a 2025 Buick Vista. I got it with no cosigner, and I got it with a down payment. So highly blessed and highly favored about that. Now, I got it in April, okay? It is September. I haven't had it since July. And you're probably like, girl, where's the car? I'm probably gonna hold this so y'all can hear me better. But y'all probably like, girl, where is the car? Y'all wanna know what the car is? It's gone. And you probably like, girl, it's probably broke. It's probably this. You probably got a repo. No. I hit a pole. A light pole. And I don't know if this is my shade anymore, guys, so bear with me on that. Normally I'll go in with my red concealer to like get my like dark spots, but we're not doing that today. But I hit a freaking pole. Insert pictures. Yeah, I know, crazy. When it was crazy. One, let's start with the fact that I'm blessed to be alive. Like, that's for starters. Because like coming out of something like that is not something, like, I'm not saying it's not possible, but it is like a crazy experience. But yes, as I was saying, I literally hit a light pole or a street light, and I crashed. And okay, so how did this happen? So I went to Chicago for Chicago Greek picnic weekend, which is like towards end of July. And it was me and my friends, and we went down there. We had a fun time, and it was fun. If you haven't been, I recommend you go. I recommend you go to any Greek picnics if you like understand Greek. Like, I would like look into that before I go, so I know like what to do and what not to do, or go with somebody who like knows the lay of the land. Don't go by yourself. But I'm trying to think what I do next, cause yeah. But yeah, as I was saying, I went to Chicago Greek picnic because, one, I know somebody that is Greek, and this comes into play. I don't have eyebrows right now because I bleached my eyebrows to match my hair, and so the black is finally like coming back, so just kind of ignore that. But yeah, so we came back from Chicago Creek picnic, came back, took a nap. Me and my best friend went to go get a seafood boil, came back. Okay, I'm like, okay, cool. My friend, well, let's not even play. My man, he's like, okay, like I'm about to be on land, I'm about to come see, yada yada yada. If it comes out pink on this, excuse it. This is what I was using to, like, you know. Um, but he's like, I'm about to come see you. Da 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 da. So I'm like, okay, cool. Like whatever. So he comes, we chill. We were gonna play a game, but then like some stuff happened. Like nothing bad, but like some stuff happened. We just ended up not playing. Me and my friend just went to go lay down and chill. So we took a nap, and we woke up from the nap, and we were both hungry. So like, okay, like we should go get something to eat. And I'm like, you know what? Yeah, cause I'm hungry too. And he was like we were suggesting places, but I'm like, I'm not feeling none of this. So then I'm like looking on Apple Maps trying to find something to eat. Oh, excuse me. And I see Wendy's. I love me some Wendy's. So we decided, okay, we're gonna go to Wendy's. But mind you, Wendy's closed at 4 o'clock. And so I'm like, oh, okay, if we're going to get Wendy's, we need to hurry up and go, because it was like 3:45, and like it's gonna take 5 minutes to get there. So by the time we got there, it was gonna be like 3:50, and it was about to be closed. So I'm like, okay, like we need to put pedal to the metal, and we need to go right now if we're gonna go get Wendy's. So we end up like saying, okay, we're fuck it, we're gonna go get Wendy's. So that's what we do, right? And I'm like, okay, well, I need to hurry up and go to Wendy's, because like they're about to close, and I need to try and get my chicken nuggets before, like, you feel me? So I go, and we get in the car on the way, and what happens is I needed to bust a left, and too wide, and I swerved, and I lost control, and I hit the pole. So after that, like, I lost consciousness for a second. I blacked out. And so I finally came to. I'm like, oh, like, snap, I need to get out the car before the car catches on fire, blows up. I don't want to be in the car, because like luckily I'm alive, we're alive, he's alive, everybody's alive. So, and it was just me and him. All my friends are still at the Airbnb. So I'm like, okay, we cool, we good, like, in terms of the fact that we're still alive. But I'm like, okay, I need to get out the car. I get out the car, he's in the car still, and I'm like, why is he still in the car? You know, like, some people fight or flight don't kick in, or their survival stuff don't kick in. Mine kicked in immediately. I watched too much Grey's Anatomy, too much Criminal Minds, too much to know I needed to sit in that car. But yeah, so then I'm like, okay, I need to get out the car. So that's exactly what I do. I go around to assess the damage, and also go check on him, because he's not out the car. So he's like, I can't get out. So I pull him out. Mind you, man is like 6 something, but he's like 6 something. He's tall, stocky. So I'm like, okay, I get him out. I've added freckles to my routine, so that's what we're also gonna do. I just put it on my finger. Yeah, I was like, why is it not open? I just put it on my finger, little dots, and then I press. So that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so I get him out the car. We're out the car, and basically, like, they assess us for damage and stuff like that. My car's totaled, it's gone. So yeah, that is what happened. And so now I am on a journey to get my car again. I am going to be getting the same one at some point, because I really did like the car. I really like the specs. My main concern, and I guess this will be a car review too, is that the radio will go out on you randomly, and it's not like terrible, but it's like, dog, what, WTF. But I really love my car. I really loved it. It was like, my monthly payments was nice. I could afford it. Yada, yada, yada. The only difference is, like, I'm gonna have to be on my own insurance, because it was in my mom's, and she was like, girl, like, yeah, you want to be a speed racer, you gotta kind of like get your own insurance. So I'm gonna have to do that, which is not too bad. But I know it's gonna be an arm and a leg, depending on like what kind I get and things of that nature. But I'm just blessed to be alive. That was a crazy experience. I literally, like, part of me feels like I was kept alive because I'm destined for like a greater purpose and whatever like my higher power has in store for me. Like, I know like I'm gonna be blessed like beyond measures I can see, but for right now I just have to like trust that everything is gonna work out and things of that nature. And I feel like they are. It's just all in due time. But I have a lot of things like coming up, like my birthday. My birthday's in a few months, and I have not like sat down and actually like planned that. And I bring it up to my nose too. But I haven't sat down and I haven't planned that, so I need to get on top of that because I know that's gonna cost me an arm and a leg. But yeah, I'm just like more so like okay, like focusing on myself and like my mental health, because that is something that's scary, especially because like this is how my fingers be looking doing this. But I'm gonna do one more right here, and I'm gonna have to do it on this hand. But I just be wiping it on my shirt. I never cared, like honestly, truly. But yeah, so I know in due time, like God got me, and whatever He has in store for me is like higher than what I can see, and it'll come in due time. I just have to trust the process. Sometimes it can get a little like frustrating because it's like, dog, how much more stuff do I gotta go through to like kind of be in a good spot in life where I don't like feel like I'm fighting for my freaking life every freaking day? Because that's how it's been feeling for a good minute. And then y'all don't even know the half of it from like last year. But just know, I be going through it. And so does everybody else. Like, that's not, to put nothing against anybody. But, yeah, I think I like my freckles today. I'm really trying to look. I think it looks cute. But, that is what happened. I enjoyed my car. It was cute. Like I said, I want the same one again. If I don't, because I feel like it was a very good first car. I think that it was giving bougie on a budget. I was like, did I do my eyebrows? I did. I put the brow glue. It was giving bougie on a budget. On top of giving bougie on a budget, it was also just like, I wanted a Mercedes at some point, so it also kind of like looked like a coupe basically, and that's the one I want. So it all just worked out in my favor, and I'm still here. I'm still blessed. I still like have life to live, so that means like I still have purpose on earth. I feel like I'm trying not to get emotional thinking about it, but I feel as that like God push you through stuff to like get you to a better place. But also I feel as that like when God calls you home, it's because your purpose has been fulfilled on earth. And like, of course we don't know what that purpose is, because I feel like everybody's purpose in life is different for what they see, and like the relationship they have with the people that like they're very like close with and in tune with and things of that nature. So I just feel like I'm destined for a lot more, number one, but also the people around me aren't done with me, if that makes sense, in terms of like me having purpose. Because I feel like people also come like are given on earth to help serve purposes, not only to themselves but to other people. And whether it be a lesson, a blessing, or whatever the case may be, I believe we're all here like for a reason. But outside of that, this makeup tutorial is a thing, you're done. I just gotta take pics for my thumbnail. My lashes are, y'all, like, I love good individuals, but one bad thing about me is that I literally love rubbing them off. Like, I'll literally rub them off and then I won't have any eyelashes, and I'm mad I don't got any eyelashes. But yeah, so all you can do is pray, ask for signs, ask for clarity, and oh, the ask for signs, ask for clarity, and just trust that like things will work out. You know? And just trust everything and trust the process. Because that's all you can do. I hate like, you know, using eyelash curlers because I feel like they don't be doing what they need to do. I just go on Max. Lately I've been using Juvia's Place, but I heard that it was not rocking with Juvia's Place, but I don't know because I really like their lip gloss. It's not too sticky. Kind of remind me of my favorite brand, which is Max. And yeah. I want to say thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know this video was not long, but it was one helpful because like you get to see the baddies makeup tutorial, and my last makeup tutorial was only like 15 minutes. It don't take me that long to do my makeup, as you can go to see. But on top of it not taking too long, just gotta keep going, keep pushing. So if this is like you stumbled across this video and this is like your last resort, just know that I love you even though I don't know you. Just know that whoever or whatever you may or may not believe in, or whether you're like, you know, struggling in life, just know that like you're safe, you're secure, and you're loved by people who you probably don't even know you're loved by. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.